All right, let's dive into our first demo. A partner just forwarded you a pitch deck from NewBrain Biosciences. They're raising a bridge round, and you've got 30 minutes to decide if it's worth a partner meeting. Normally this means skimming the deck, verifying founders on LinkedIn, searching Crunchbase for comps, triangulating market size, and still missing critical details on burn rate or regulatory risks. This is exactly what Manus excels at, pulling specific data points from documents, verifying them against external sources, and synthesizing everything into a decision framework with full traceability. Let's use it to cut through the pitch and get to the real insights. So here's my approach. I've given Manus this prompt, and you'll notice I'm being extremely descriptive, essentially giving it a template that might be the mental framework you go through when evaluating a deal. I've asked for basics like the founding date and employee count, the current raise, products, business model, the team, and the list goes on. I've also given it these 3 documents which we got from the company. And now Manus will start on creating the 1-page due diligence brief based on the information we provided. But you'll notice it's also enriching that information with Google searches, looking on LinkedIn for additional information as well. The final output is this 1-page due diligence brief with all of the information we specifically asked for. And at the bottom, it's included the sources where it's used the documentation we provided, and it's shown where it's searched to enrich the information further. So what's the transferable pattern here? We built a repeatable system that turns unstructured information into standardized briefs. Pitch decks, information memorandums, portfolio company reports, and the list goes on. The key is we're not just summarizing, we're applying institutional logic to create decision-ready intelligence. We're using Manus as an analyst, not just a chatbot.